Hi, I'm Sherri with HomeShowGardenPros, and I'm joined here today with Frank Smith from Coast of Maine.
And I'm very glad to be here as well. Thank you, Sherri.
And Coast of Maine has an amazing line of organic OMRI-certified soils, and we're going to talk about the Black Earth lawn soil today.
And our Black Earth lawn soil is OMRI-certified. It's got a great blend of lobster compost and really finely ground aged bark, which gives it a black, rich, humusy look. Phenomenal for water retention, awesome for top dressing in your lawns and many more projects.
Yeah, and we talk about aeration and compost top dressing all the time, and this would be an amazing product for that because it's so fine and spreads nice, and there's not a lot of big chunks in it.
Absolutely.
It'll put the nutrients in there and help retain moisture, which we need that coming up on summer.
There you go.
So for more great information like this, join us Saturday mornings from 7 to 9 on Home Show Garden Pros.